I'm really excited by some of the advancements that we've seen in generative AI over the last couple of years. If you've seen some of my other content, then you already know that I believe that the data scientists of the future will be heavily aided by AI tools. So the time to prepare is now. The smart data scientists are already using their prompting skills to use these LLMs to create new data science and modeling code for them. In fact, you may be familiar with the series that I recently ran about how to build a project from beginning to end. In those projects, we don't write any code ourselves. We start with a blank screen and then we go ahead and we have ChatGPT fill in the code for us based on the prompts and the needs that we have. In that series, we worked on a forecasting model that can be used for investments. But how well did the algorithm perform? How well is the algorithm written? That's what I want to find out, and that's what we're going to do in this series. My name is Dennis. I'm a chief data scientist with more than 20 years of experience, and I want to take the code that ChatGPT created for us with a generative AI approach and test it against with some investments using real cash. Now, just so we're clear here, I'm not an investment advisor, this isn't financial advice, and all results are going to be presented at least on a 1-day delay. The point here isn't really to have an exercise in quantitative finance or to make money or to create some sort of other investment vehicles. The point here is to see how well AI generated code that performs with a model. Can some of the results that were generated by Gen AI and some of the metrics that we see, do they actually hold up in real world environments? That's what I'm really trying to find out here. So here's the rules. The test is going to be done throughout December 2024. I'm going to be investing every single day, and but we're still going to be mindful of the holidays that are towards the end of December. So every business day that's available for investing, I'm going to follow the algorithm's recommendation. Investments will be made in the gold ETF because I think gold is universally interesting to all of the followers in my global community. So that's going to be the designated investment vehicle. I have run code to produce the initial model, and then I will be presenting additional data to the model as it becomes available, mostly the price data from that day. From there, I will make buy or sell decisions based on the prediction cycles of the algorithm. I'm going to post a short every single day that displays the progress on a 1-day delay of the algorithm. I'm also going to be posting a longer form video at the end of each week to summarize the performance from that week. Again, to be clear, this is not a test for investments. I'm not an investment advisor. This is not financial advice. All results are presented on a delay. But the point here is to test how well the AI code performs. If AI generated the code and the algorithm has certain metrics in testing, will it hold up in a real world environment? That's really what we're trying to find out here. So please make sure you subscribe. Click on notify so that you can get alerts for when the new videos are available, and that will also show you the new shorts that will present the results as we go along. I'll see you next time.